sometimes you have to let go for a second. Let go. You have to like just pick it up by one of its ends. And make sure all the flour is all over it, okay? Okay. Now what do you do with it? Hold on, I've got it tight. Okay.
You put it
Yep,
here.
now roll it around. Flip it over. Never pick it up from an end. Pick it up from an end and flip it over. There you go. Now stick her in the corn chip. Roll her around so she looks just like those. What are you making, Jacob?
Chicken.
Chicken what?
Chicken strips.
Okay, that looks good. Does it look like those?
Yeah.
Okay, lay her up there. Anywhere. I'll straighten her out a little bit. Okay, you want to do another one?
Yeah.
Okay.